Wearing jersey number 9, Liza De Ramos. At number 12, number 10, Maria Teresa De La Rosa. Wearing jersey number 11, Cherry Rose Makatangay. And number 13, Aiza Maizo. Libero, number 16, Connie Resho. Head coach, Mr. Ariel Dong De La Cruz. Calling on our Philippine Army Women's Volleyball Team. At number 3, Joan Bunag. Wearing jersey number 4, Mariette Carolino. At number 5, Mary Jean Balse. Wearing jersey number 9, Michelle Carolino. At number 11, Dalia Cruz. Jersey number 12, Maria Teresa Iratay. Libero, number 2, Patricia Shiatan Torres. Head coach, Corporal Rico De Guzman. Good luck to both teams.
When you have it right there, the starting sixes of both squads. Actually, it's like an all-star game wherein you see guest players from, that used to play as guest players in other teams in previous conferences. They're now playing together. We're talking about like the Carolino sisters playing alongside Mary Jean Balse. You have Dalia Cruz. They're all in one team playing against Cherry Rose Makatangay, Wendy Semana, so it's an exciting game.
And if you have followed this ladies closely over the last few years, pag tinignan mo yung mga history pages dito sa ating Shakey's V-League, tad-tad na mga pangalan itong mga nakikita natin for the season. Yung mga players who are able to accomplish so many things. As we take a look, of course, at the Philippine Army serving the first volleyball for this afternoon. And once again, that top scorer for her squad and the other team nailing the first point for Army.
That's right, Michelle Carolino. A lot has been said about her. Through the years, she's even grown to be a more mature player. So aside from that athletic abilities that we're talking about, she has now the gulang in her game.
At pag pinag-usapan ng gulang, pati sa serve may gulang yan. Iratay nailing the first service ace para dito sa Army. Walang antay-antay, no?
That's right. Well, I'm sure all these teams are eager to get it going here in this match.
Ay, anong pakiramdam mo? No, looking at the last two play dates and heading into the opening ng ating second conference, natuwa ko nung nakita ko yung mga pangalan ng mga lineups dahil parang starstruck ang nangyari sa akin dahil hindi ko naman sila nakita magkakasabay eh. Pero
exactly.
Dito lahat.
So it's like an all-star game, East versus West.
Pero tournament, may pinaglalabanan.
Yes.
Mayat Carolino, that soft touch. Eh, sinasabi natin mga gulang, hindi na pataasan ng talon, hindi na pabilisan.
That's right, but a good block there by De La Rosa and Maizo.
Itong koponan ng Air Force, as we take a look at this last sequence here, Noreen.
Well, that's a tower, that's a wall we're talking about. You have, who's your front line for Army? You have, for Air Force, you have De La Rosa, Makatangay, and Maizo.
At kailangan talaga, napakatataas. Kailangan talaga maganda rito ang reception ng Air Force dahil yan ang naging problema nila in that losing cause against San Sebastian. 3-2 here in the first set. Of course, if it's fun, family, and pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Ang tagal na natin magkakasama rito.
That's right. Actually, na-miss ko nga eh. I always look forward when I get the text or the email sa, okay, next, it's a new conference.
Again.
Yeah.
Tag-ulan, tag-araw, tag-init, tag-baha. Andito po kami sa inyong Shakey's V-League.
Ate!
Kaya sinasabi natin, wala kang pipiliin. And you have to catch the action live as we take a look at this last point by Philippine Army, courtesy of Balse.
Well, good play, good reception, a great set, and of course, if you have a great set, no doubt about it, Balsa will get that that kill.
Dalia Cruz serving for Philippine Army. Semana setting up. Iratay going to Carolino. That's Mayet.
That's a sister.
Dalia Cruz, naninibago ako kay Dalia Cruz eh. Pero siguro, katulad ng ating mga viewers, it will take time for them to get used to named players playing for a different team. At nakita natin kanina yung mga enlisted players sa ating Bayang Magiliw, nakasaludo.
That's right.
At yung mga guest players naman, yes, yung mga guest players naman, nakalagay lamang sa dibdib. And Philippine Army comes out firing 5-3 here in the first set, Noreen.
Well, that's a, you know, in this play you can see that's a good example on how you can outsmart tall blockers. That's a good quick play there for Carolino.
Mikasa is the new official game ball of the Shakey's V-League. Mikasa MVA 300 dito sa ating Season 8.
Oh, good cover there. Iratay to Balse.
Napakabilis ng reaction dito ng Philippine Army.
Well, if you look at, you know, not for anything, if you look at the fitness level of this Army squad, you know, even Michelle is lean. We're
Very
seeing
lean.
in the pre-game coverage. She's very lean. Look at Balse. Maybe Air Force has to use more aggressiveness and more gulang.
At kailangan nilang tibayan ng kanilang depensa para makapunta sila na maka-attack. And Isa Maiso with that off-speed hit for the 4th point in the first set para dito sa koponan ng Air Force. Oh, Balsa with that miss hit.
Stutter step.
Pwede yan. Carolino digging. Buna getting that ball across. Isa Maiso with the rocket.
Oh, good cover.
The longest rally so far.
That's right.
Di pa po tapos yan. Abang-abang lang.
Adlib.
Pwede yan. Michelle Carolino.
Off speed. Oh, finally.
Went down the line. Still down by 1, Air Force.
But that's what we're saying about Gulang. You know, they ended that long rally. It's not a strong spike.
Puro off-speed talaga eh.
Speed.
Mayroon pa tayong mga kupunan na sadyang mabibilis pa rin at matataas tumalon. Pero marami rin po tayong mga kupunan na magugulang maglaro. Carolina receiving. Iratay punching that ball across. Semana to Maizo.
Oh, Isa Maizo.
Only had 10 points in about 22 tries nung kanilang huling laban kontra San Sebastian. But here, getting that against a solitary blocker.
That's right. That was actually a good play for Air Force. Shank ball.
Unforced error laban dito sa koponan ng Army at Cherry Rose Makatangay giving Air Force a 1-point lead at 7 against 6. Ang tatangkad nila, no? Sabi mo kanina, may mga nakalaro ka dito, ha?
Yeah. I actually played against and with some of these people.
Maiso getting that ball safely across. Iratay. Running hit by Balse.
Good dig by Maizo.
Whoa! Too late. 2-point lead for Air Force. Heading into this first technical timeout.